cooking is an art. So when cooking, we have to see, especially vegetables when we are cooking. First thing, you add the vegetables such as leafy vegetables we can put into the pan, add the onions, garlic and all the rest of the seasoning that we want to use and water. Cover and cook at least for 2 minutes. 2 minutes if you cook only, the whole nourishment will be in the pan. After that, you open it and then you can use whatever other ingredients, oil or milk or whatever you want to use. It can be used, but never open and start cooking. You have to cover and cook for 2 minutes. Then only it's good. Always see that we use cumin seed, and of course lot of people still don't know how to use the black cumin seed. The black cumin seed is very good and healthy, and of course it is good for so many sicknesses. So you can use a little bit of black cumin seed also with the cumin seed that we are using, so that it's healthy. Cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, all the time don't use this. We are living in a very warm country. We find it very difficult. It's too heaty for us. So avoid using those 3 ingredients all the time. Always try to avoid as much as possible. Once a week, okay, you can use, but not all the time. That is not very healthy for us to use.